Hi friends, let me show you this new foot massager that I received for viewing purposes. It gives you feet and calf massage with pressure and heat, so it's really comfortable. It also has a remote control to control it while you're seated using it. You plug it in the electricity, and you have this handle that makes it really easy and convenient to bring it with you, but also it will allow you to put it in a position like that so your feet are comfortable. Let's try it. So when you are ready to use it, you have different options. You can set it up like this, flat in the floor with your feet inside. It fits up to a 14 size foot, so it's convenient for almost anyone. These are different options that you have. The heating option, you see, is low or high temperature. Also, you can change the time lapse, the time that it's going to be working, from 5 minutes up to 30 minutes. Also, the intensity of the massage, okay? Or even the massage mode. You have four different massage options. You can use it while you are working, maybe, or seeing TV, or just reading a book, or any activity, and your feet will be really comfortable with this massager, okay? If you want to have like another way of using it, you can do this. And put your feet like this in a angled position. Also, you can use it like this. Let me show you. So also in the lower part of your legs, you can have this comfortable massage. So if you want to get a relaxing, comfortable massage machine like this, or if you want to give it as a gift to your parents, to your anyone that you think can benefit from it. For elderly people, it's a great option to have a comfortable massage session. Thank you.